What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Vechain, currently sitting at 0.0312. We're up 1.2 on the day. Same market cap, 2.24 billion. 25 volume, 102 million. So I've adjusted the wave count. This is the bear market low at 0.01322. Shout out to everyone that scooped it up at that price. So you have a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. All of this is a wave 3. Pullback in a wave 4. If you take a fib retracement from the 2 low up to the 3, you can see that that wave 4 pulled right back and touched the 50%, and that's where you're starting to bounce. So we could see continuation up from here. We're seeing a nice reaction. We're up 10% right now. If we push up to in a wave 5, the target zone is 0.041 to 0.046. So what could happen is you push up to that zone, and then you see a larger pullback before continuation back to the upside. That's very possible. Of course, it can overextend, can continue to shoot up. So we'll have to see how that plays out, but I think there's a decent chance we could push up from here. If we create a lower low, it is what it is. We are currently in a Vechain trade. If we create a lower low, it should be fine with where my stop loss is, but we'll have to see how that plays out. So this is a weekly cross. We close the weekly. We're now printing the bullish cross, which is a massive signal of strength. Here's the last time we printed the bullish cross on the weekly right here. And check this out. Look at what Vechain did, guys. It went on its bull run. And from the bullish cross on the weekly chart up to the peak, that was a juicy gain of 3,706%. So you would have 370x'd your investment, which is absolutely insane if you bought on that bullish cross. So once again, we're printing the bullish cross on the weekly chart. We just confirmed it on the Sunday close. As you can see, if we zoom in, you can see the 20s coming over the 55. So I think there's a very good chance that we won't break below that weekly cross, and we'll see continuation. As you can see, we're retesting this beautiful double bottom on the weekly chart. See where these candles close on the weekly? That's exactly where we retest, and now we're seeing a reaction. So if we continue to push up from here, then the price target for that double bottom is all the way up at 0.0443. And from the current price, that's a juicy pump of 40%. Nice little trade right there for our friend Vet. So that's what I'm looking at. Beautiful to see that weekly cross. We successfully retested the double bottom. We're seeing a reaction. And on the smaller time frame, this is actually the daily chart, but it looks like a wave 4 pullback. So we start to push back above the 20 EMA. You can start to push up in a wave 5 towards 0.0419 and 0.046. If we roll over, we create a lower low. It is what it is. Anything can happen in the crypto space, but as of right now, we're seeing a nice reaction and we're up about 10% on the day. As I mentioned, we're in a trade for Vechain, as well as we just entered another trade for Gala Games. We're also in trades for XRP and Matic. You can receive completely free access to my trade signals if you sign up to Bitfinex. Actually, Matic hit our break-even stop loss after our TP1. So just XRP, Gala, and Vechain right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses. Email me after you made your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals. We're in some Forex pairs right now with some Forex setups as well. So you can trade crypto and Forex all in one place with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. Just send me an email, or it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link for direct access. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.